This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 30th of October. Looks like something going on in the shopping center here. Fatai, the technical janitors here. A Migros truck is parked there in delivery. Looks like there's an electrician there. There's something going on at the shopping center. Maybe something broke down. I have no idea what's going on over there. So which means we can't use the parking lot over there, so we'll just have to make do. It's still early. It's like a little bit after 10 o'clock with the change in time, but really it's 11. Probably should have been out here earlier, but took us a little time to get used to the... Here's Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, good boy. Hi, Charlie. And there's Shadow. There's Shadow. Shadow and Charlie. Hi, good boy. Let's get your egg. Let's get your egg. Let's get your egg. Right? There you go. That's little Shadow over there, see? Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Huh? Is that our good boy? Is that our good boy, Charlie? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. I'm not going to let anyone take your food, okay? I'm not going to let anyone take your food. Go ahead, get your sausage. There you go. Okay, Shadow. We'll keep this for later. And we'll go throw this out on the field now. I don't know why they would have construction people here. Definitely the janitors here, the technical janitors here, electricians here. Not sure what that other car is. Is that the city of Kreuzlingen? I'd have to go check. Yeah. Something's not right here. What does that say there? Or they're doing some work that they can't do during the week. On a Sunday, not really possible. So, evidently there are people going up, there are lights on in the thing, so, but there's definitely something going on here today. I mean, I've never seen this in the whole time I've lived here. But we don't know. We don't know what went on. Nothing going on here last night. Everybody went home. But it's hard to get people to work on Sunday here. Look at these gulls here. Yeah. I'm gonna put this here. Make a nice bow so that they so everybody has a chance to get something. Okay? Wow, look at this. Whoops. Oh, my coat in the way here with the lens. Okay. There's one silver gull there. He just landed. He's making his little sound, but you see he's not as large as Seymour. No band. But he grabbed the ball just like Seymour does. I don't know what to say. For me, Seymour's gone. That's the sad part. Okay. I have throw some stuff out here. Hard for the little guys to get something. They're working on their seed balls though. That looks like the herring gulls are after the cat food. So, trying to look here and see. Now we got someone walking across. Oh, he jumped down. That's a good thing. We'll save this for Charlie. I did bring peanuts along today, shelled peanuts. So I'm trying to figure out where I could throw them out. Maybe on the sidewalk over there. Get a little piece of sausage here. There you go. Oh, he didn't get it. Yeah, the gulls are really tough competitors. I'd say there's at least 20 gulls here, and it looks like only one silver gull appeared. Oh, there's a storm gull. Just one. Came in late. He's trying to land. Maybe, I guess, because I'm on the field, he doesn't feel comfortable. Doesn't feel comfortable. There you go. You got something. All right. Charlie got his sausage. He got some egg. He knows when he stays close to me, nobody will get him. So, looks like the storm gull was on the field. But only one, and one silver gull today. I gotta see what I can do here as far as giving them some shelled peanuts, and I think we'll drive away from the church, go down that way, and put it on the Now I wanted to let you see how it is when it's foggy outside. But this is a light fog. It can be a lot heavier than this. But it's already like 10 o'clock, probably another hour or two. It will burn off. So this afternoon's feeding, we should have sun. Now we see our little crows dominating the field. Yeah, not as many crows as yesterday. Yesterday, we unfortunately had two bird killers here across the street, but they were watching, and of course the crows know who they are, and it was a little bit uneasy for everybody. And of course they were making faces and that sort of stupid things that they do, because they're ignorant and primitive. Oh, here's our Elfrieda. Hello, Elfrieda.
Ich krieg um 2 Besuch von der Nichte aus Bayern.
Ah.
In der Schweiz. Ich komme mich ein paar Stunden besuchen. Und heute ist ausgerechnet noch länger, weil die Kinder Vorträge mit Singen gemacht haben.
Oh.
Das muss ich noch tanken und hinten sind die Blumen für den Friedhof.
Okay.
Ich muss alles noch machen.
Du siehst so hübsch aus, Elfrieda. Oh mein Gott, bist du eine Dame. Oh, ich freue mich, dich immer zu sehen, weil so selten sieht man das heutzutage. So eine schöne Frau.
Die sich alle anziehen. Ja, du sagst immer, man ist allein.
Ja, aber so schön.
Weiß keiner mehr an in dem Alter. Und
Nein.
wenn man noch sieht mit Stock.
Ja. Also.
Wie geht's deinem Lieben? Ist er im Auto?
Im Auto.
Sag einen lieben Gruß, vielleicht können wir uns nächste Woche sprechen.
Okay. Und ich wünsche dir einen schönen Sonntag mit Ihrem Besuch und ja.
Bis bisschen hektisch. Die hat
Yeah.
gestern Abend um 8 angerufen.
Ah.
Hier in Aarau oder so ähnlich.
Mhm.
Er kommt außen rum und um 2 wollen sie bei mir erscheinen. Sie müssen aber um 4 wieder los, weil es dann schon bald dunkel wird oder 4:30.
Ah, okay.
Ist hier hektisch.
Ist hektisch. Okay, ich lasse dich in Ruhe. Schönen Sonntag. Alles Gute. Mua. Sie auch. That's our wonderful Elfriede. I told her she every time this woman, she's in her 80s and she looks absolutely fabulous. She's a member of the church here, and her husband was a ferry boat captain. So yeah, but it's wonderful. She's a wonderful person with a beautiful soul, and she's beautiful inside and out. But she dresses like she has such a wonderful, how should I say, quality in how she dresses and time she takes, and it doesn't matter when you as you're aging, you still look beautiful, and she really is. And yeah, it was so nice to see her. She wanted to talk, but she's getting a visitor from Bavaria. Ergo, she had a Bavarian, what they call lunch deal type of clothing on. A lunch deal is like a traditional Bavarian style clothing.